How to add stuff to your Twitch stream. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add stuff to your Twitch stream, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically add stuff to your Twitch stream, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all open up Twitch Studio, because we can now stream using Twitch Studio. So when you open up Twitch Studio, you're going to see this type of interface here. Now you can try to start the stream, but before you start your stream, let's say if you want to add some stuff, you can add it by simply adding what kind of screen you want, whether you want the full screen application or whether you want a certain window only. And you can also set up some scenes such as gameplay or maybe chatting or maybe being right back or whatever else it is. And hence in that way you should be able to add stuff to your stream. This way you can add stuff to your Twitch stream. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.